PAYPER is one of the leading manufacturers of complete bagging lines in the world, developing customized projects that include dosing, weighing, palletizing, and final pallet protection. With 51 years of experience, 5,000 installed projects, and an engineering team of 50 people, PAYPER's expertise is trusted in the bulk solids packaging industry. Its global presence and wide network of agents have enabled it to develop projects in more than 80 countries. A team of 170 people covers all phases of the project, from the design of the machinery to the maintenance and management of production and service with its PULSAR digital solution. For 10 years, PAYPER has relied on Lenze's centralized motion control solutions on its machines, using Lenze controllers in combination with its drives and ready-made technology functions. This set of software functions ranges from simple speed controls to complex robotic functionalities and reduces development and commissioning times drastically. The functions applied include cam functions on the weighers, positioning and electric shaft functions on the bagging machines, as well as pick and place with multiple geometries on the palletizers. The latest joint development of PAYPER and Lenze in 2024 is the SCARA robotic palletizer, an ideal solution for small spaces or multi-line projects that allows single palletizing from different bagging lines at speeds of up to 600 bags per hour. The SCARA robot includes PAYPER's proprietary mechanics with Lenze drives and servo gearboxes, ranging from helical or bevel gearboxes to high-precision planetary gearboxes. The SCARA control includes advanced robotics functions such as coordinate and tool changes, trajectory optimization, and teaching startup. The collaboration between PAYPER and Lenze is an inspiring example of how synergy can transform challenges into extraordinary achievements.